In this video, we're going to do an unboxing of the 30k from Sena Bluetooth communication. What's up, TMers? If you're new here, I'm Andrew and this is Touring Midwest. In this video, we're going to see what is inside the box for the 30k dual pack from Sena Bluetooth communication. If it is your first time here, please hit that subscribe button and ring the bell notification icon. That's going to keep you up to date with any new videos that I put out. I think I just messed up that whole intro. So if you want me to open this, hit that like button. I'm just kidding. I'm going to open it anyways. Alright, let's see what else is in here. If you want to see anything else regarding the Sena 30k, I'm going to be making more videos about it, sound samples and pairing and this and that. But if there's anything specific you want to see, let me know down in the comments. First off, these things are kind of beautiful. That might sound weird, but they really look quite nice. First of all, it's got this like shiny gloss black insert that says Sena on here against the flat black, and just a little bit of chroming right there. I think that looks really sexy. You've got two different antennas on this headset. I'm not exactly sure how that works. This one is built in. That might be for just basic Bluetooth connectivity. This one might be specifically for the mesh connectivity. I'm not exactly sure. I know that there's like FM radio and stuff built into this, so maybe one of the antennas has something to do with that. I am not entirely sure, but that looks really good. Beautiful. So we end up with two of these in the kit, because this is the dual kit, remember, so you're going to get two of everything. So basically the other things that are in here, your mic and speakers. Now as I get further into the box, you're going to notice that it's going to come with extra mics. This is the boom mic. There's also a wired boom mic that works especially well for modular style helmets. And then you're also going to have at least one other mic choice, and I'll show you that in just a moment. I'm just going to kind of get everything out and then we'll talk about it so I can get this box out of the way because I feel like it's blocking my beard. Alright, so here's everything that's in the box. You're going to get two chargers, one for each unit, in case you need to plug it in and charge on the go. Two USB to micro USB cables. Sena has not switched over to USB-C yet. They've been using the micro USB for quite a long time. And then my guess is both of these packs are going to be identical because you're going to have one for each headset. And we've got the instruction book. Now again, what I like, again with the 30Ks, they give you this super nice instruction book. The thing I really like about this instruction book is it comes on a little clip ring so you can hang it somewhere in your garage where you're going to know where it is at all times. You're not going to have to worry about losing it. But also, like, these pages are nice. They're almost like a plastic feel. I don't actually even know if they would tear. It doesn't feel like it. Now that one is forever bent and damaged, but there you go. So you could actually leave this in your tour pack or saddlebag if you wanted to. So if you ever needed just a quick reference, you can go through and find it. So I really appreciate this from Sena. I hang up all mine over here on the wall, and then I always know where they're at. Andrew's tip of the day. You're welcome. Alright, let's get into one of these packages here. Now again, both of these are going to be exactly the same, so we're just going to go through one of them and just imagine two of everything you see. So we have mic covers. This comes with 4 mic covers. Now remember, you're going to have 2 sets of these, so you're going to get 8 mic covers. These are earpiece covers and these little kind of extension block things in case it doesn't fit quite right inside your helmet. And some more extension block things. We're very technical around here. Audio cable, so you can actually plug like an MP3 player or your cell phone or whatever directly into the unit if you would like to, versus using Bluetooth. This is that other mic I was telling you about. Now this is a super flat mic, so you can actually place it in your full face helmet right in front of your mouth, and it's not going to be in your way. It's going to be very comfortable and easy to use. This is the best option for full face helmets. This one might be the best option for like 3/4 helmets. And then you're going to get a wired boom mic. This is mainly meant for use with like modular style helmets. Then you've got this alternate way of mounting it to your helmet, which is like a adhesive stick-on mount versus the clamp mount, which is right here. And various 3M Velcro sticky things, so you can use it in different places in your helmet if you need a way to mount a mic, or if you need a way to mount your earphones or whatever. That is basically it. That's what comes in the 30k dual kit from Sena Bluetooth communication. So again, if you want to know anything other than this about this headset or whatever, I'm going to do a lot of testing with it this coming season. So we're going to go through everything. How to update the software, how to install it on a helmet, how to pair with other 30k units, how to pair with other Bluetooth Sena headsets and things like that. If there's anything specific you want to know, just let me know in the comment section down there, and we'll try to get her done. We'll try to get a video done for you. So that is it. That's it. Stay safe out there, you guys. As always, truly appreciate you checking out this video. If you liked it, hit that up thumb button down there. If you really liked it, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to ring the bell. It's going to keep you up to date and notified every time I upload a new video or go live. You do not want to miss that. And yeah, have a good one. Stay safe out there as always. We will catch you in the next video from Touring Midwest. Oof. Yeah, unfortunately I can't really test any of this stuff out right now because I live in Minnesota, don't you know? Yeah, so unfortunately I can't really test out much with this stuff right now because I live in Minnesota, don't you know? Get out on the motorcycle and test any of this stuff out right now because it's January and we live in I live in Minnesota, don't you know? So it's cold, really cold, and snowy. So anyway, but as soon as I can get out, I'm gonna test all this stuff out so you guys will have video things. You guys will have things to watch on YouTube because, man, I know it is. It's sparse trying to find things to watch on YouTube right now. Are we still rolling? Oh, hi. I bet you didn't know that I put all this stuff away when I'm done with it for now. Just don't want to lose anything. And ring the bell. It's not going to cost you anything, but it'll let you know whenever I upload a new video or go live. You definitely don't want to miss that. I think I just messed up that whole intro.